What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do backward hurdle in Madden NFL 26. To work on the backward hurdle, the easiest place to practice is the training camp section. Head into training camp, open skill trainer and choose your team. Since the reverse hurdle animation is exclusive to Saquon Barkley, make sure you select the Philadelphia Eagles so you can control him. After loading in, scroll to the hurdle tutorial under the offense category. Before you get to the advanced part, the game will walk you through the standard hurdle drill. You'll need to complete it 3 times by tapping Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. Once those reps are done, the mode will add a defender, and that's where you can start attempting the backwards hurdle. To actually pull off this move, 3 conditions have to match up at the same time. First, you have to be running at top speed without easing up at all. Second, the defender needs to come toward you from about a 45-degree angle, not straight ahead or directly behind. And lastly, you need to press triangle or Y right before the hit arrives. But here's the reality, this animation is inconsistent. Sometimes it triggers almost immediately, and other times it takes a long stretch of attempts before it finally works. It might show up in a couple of tries, or you may be sitting there for 10, 15, even 20 attempts before it happens. There's no exact timing, it's just patience and repetition. And that's how you can practice and perform the backward hurdle with Saquon Barkley in Madden NFL 26. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.